Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sasha-lee, and on today's video I'll be showing you different types of makeup brushes, the names of them and how to use them. And also do subscribe to my channel, do like the video and also share it. Let's get into the video. So it will come in a little package like this. Just unroll it. So for the first brush I have is your lip brush. Like a folder. Always make it look bigger. And this is how it just looks like. That is your lip brush. So the purpose of lip color is always to complete the balance of color. It is always usually the last cosmetic applied. This would be your eyeliner brush. So if you do want to create the eyeliner on top, you can always use this. Instead of having the eyeliner at the bottom, this is the top. So this would be your eyeliner brush. Some use it as the eyeliner and some use it concealer. So I don't know if you guys know what color correctors. Color correctors is when before you apply your foundation, you put on different types of colors to get rid of all the marks on your face. So I'll insert a picture to also show you the different types of shades on what to put on your face, like for red marks, for blemishes, different types of things. And then this would be your eraser. As an eraser does not take off permanent marks on your face, please. It takes off makeup marks, but it's not to take off permanent marks on your face, please. It's called an eraser for a whole reason. An angle brush. This you could use for your eyebrows or for eyeshadow if you like. Create different effects to the eye, but it's mostly used for your eyebrows. Flat top shadow brush. So this will be your small eyeshadow brush, which is also called a small fluff brush, meant for your eyeshadow. Then we have the large fluff brush, which is also meant for your eyeshadow, which is also called an eyeshadow brush or a large fluff brush. And then I have the eyelash separator. You could also use for your eyebrows to comb out your eyebrows. We have the comb and the brush on the one side. Then I have a blending brush. Some people say you can also use it for your brows, but I normally call it a blending brush because I always blend in my eyeshadow. And then we have foundation brush. It looks like this. You could use this to apply your foundation on it, or you could also use your sponge. This is what it looks like. Guys, the sponges are so cheap, it's like 20 rand or some you'll get like for 10 rand, 12 rand. But this one's actually bought at Bling for 19 rand. And then you'll get your contour brush. Or you could also name it a highlighting brush. It looks like this, with a little bit of an angle to it. And last we'll have the large powder brush, which looks like this. So you could either use the brush or you could use the puff. So all you do is just dab on a little powder and dab it onto your face and then blend it in, of course. Yes, we also forgot the fan brush. Fan brush could also be used for contouring or highlighting. I'll insert the picture on this side so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, that is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and also to like the video and share it with many others. Stay amazing, stay beautiful, and stay you. Bye.